So, the takeaway, I was just thinking about it, takeaways. You take away three things from here, from Star Lake. One is the lake. The second is this, the Chin Mudra. Third is silence. So what do we take away? The lake. When we see in the lake the beautiful reflection of the forest, and we realize wherever there is a reflection, there is a forest, there is the lake. It must be there. Whatever and wherever and whenever we experience in life, whatever is going on, whoever, there must be this consciousness. Dakshinamurti is there. It has to be. Without that, no experience is possible. Second, that whatever appears in the lake, it's an appearance because actually it's just water. Whatever appears in life is an appearance because actually it is just pure consciousness. It is Dakshinamurti, it is God. Third, the lake is not affected by what is reflected in the lake. The mirror is not affected by the city in the mirror. Similarly, you, pure awareness, Dakshinamurti, you are not affected by what appears in you. Nothing in our life, nobody in our life, no incident, no problem, trauma, good, bad, whatever happens, leaves a scratch on you. You are ever luminous. That's third. Fourth, the lake is non-dual with respect to what is reflected in the lake. That means there is no second thing in the lake. Though hundreds of trees and thousands of leaves may appear in the lake, it is just one water. So the lake water is non-dual. There is no second thing in it. Similarly, Dakshinamurti, pure consciousness is non-dual. You are non-dual. There is no second thing apart from the real you. It is God and God only. So that's the takeaway from the lake. First takeaway. If that's too much to remember, then just remember this. Sometimes in the middle of crisis, this. That all our problems, whatever the crisis present in front of you right now, it relates to the physical body or the physical world, or it relates to the mind and the mental world, or it is some kind of seed, some kind of unconscious seed in the causal body. None of them are you. You are awareness, the witness of all of them. It is not you. No more than a TV serial affects you or a cinema affects you, what you are witnessing in these three, it does not affect you. So you are this. If you feel affected, you are like this. If you feel you are the witness of all these things going on, then you are like this. This much I can promise. The minimum that can happen to us is that, yes, there will be the storm going on, but there will be a center of calm within the storm. Everybody can notice it if you do this. In the middle of the storm. Social storm, financial storm, political storm, physical health storm, mental storm. Ultimately, serious problem is the mental storm. In all of them, you are like this. Immediately become like this. If you feel, when will you apply it? The moment you are in trouble. It's a wake-up call. If I am in trouble, if I am suffering, if I am struggling, then be sure you are like this. You have to become like this. That's the second takeaway. Even more, emergency measure. No time to apply this also. Problem. Then silence. Swami Bhuteshanandaji, 12th President of our order, he was a very slow man. Everything do very slowly, speak, move. He reminded me of Mark Twain, who said, somebody told him, hurry up, hurry up. Mark Twain said, I have only two speeds, this and slower. Which one do you want? So Swami Bhuteshanji said, and this I heard from a senior monk. Swami Bhuteshanji said, if you are in great stress, trouble, problems are going on right now, first thing you do is slow down physically. Don't be physically frantic. Sit down. Or if you're doing something, do it very slowly. Physically, speech, and mentally also. Slow down. Slow down how? Silence. Imagine that the world has disappeared. The world outside this room, wherever you are, the world is nobody is there, nothing is there. Sitting quietly and still, there is nothing to see, nothing to hear, smell, taste, touch. Nothing to feel, it's neutral. Nothing to remember, all memory has gone away. I don't even remember my own name. Everything has gone away. Nothing to understand. Mind is silent. I am not waiting for anything to happen. I do not want anything also. I do not lack anything also. In that deep silence, to whom or to what is this silence appearing? That deep silence is also an experience. What is experiencing that deep silence? Who is? I am. What kind of I? Who am experiencing the deep silence? That I am. Then gently open your eyes back to the world. That I is still here. It is the one experiencing this world. That I which is silence itself, a luminous silence. That I which does not lack anything at all. That I which does not desire anything. It does not fear anything. It is not waiting for anything also. It's complete in itself. That I am here now. Now let me deal with the world. So 3 takeaways. Lake with the 4 features. Adhisthana, Asanga, Adhisthana, lake Satya, reflection Mithya, falsity of the appearance. Then Asanga, unattached. The water of the lake is not affected by anything in the lake. Reflection. And then Advaitam, 4 features of the lake. Non-duality. Ground of all experience, the reality of all experience, unattached to all experience, and non-dual in all experience. Then the second takeaway is this. Immediately detach yourself, become the witness of the physical, subtle, and causal. I am the witness. Notice. Then see, no problem in yourself. Problem is there outside, storm. Then last one is silence. No world, no body, no memories, no mind, no emotions, no intellect, no Vedanta, no God, nothing. And that deep, deep silence is also observed by something. Then that light which observes the silence, open your eyes and look back upon the world with that light. Aurobindo's beautiful evocative lines. The world drowned in the white glare of an immortal gaze. The world drowned in the white glare of an immortal gaze. What is that immortal gaze? Pure consciousness. Take away. This is to go. I had to learn that when I first came to America. In the shops, they would ask, tea or coffee, here or to go? I thought, what is this here or to go? So until now it is here. And this one, which we just did now, is to go.